Hi everyone, I'm here again because a parent is asking for help in answering this word problem. Let's begin. Ross had $60 and Monica had $42 at first. They spent an equal amount of money. In the end, Ross had three times as much money as Monica. How much did each of them spend? Since we are comparing the money of Ross and Monica here, we are going to use the comparison model. We'll start with the straight line and the labels R and M on the left side. For Ross, we are going to draw a long bar and we will label that $60. As for Monica, we are going to draw a shorter bar and we will label it $42. They spent an equal amount of money. So what I will do is to cut a portion on each of their bars and mark them with question marks. This will represent the amount of money that they spent. Notice that I made it a point to make them equal in size. This is because it says in the problem that they spent an equal amount of money. In the end, Ross had three times as much money as Monica. So what I will do is to cut the remaining portion of Ross's bar into three equal units. And I have to make sure that the remaining part of Monica's bar is equal to 1 unit. Now, we can see that Ross had three times as much money as Monica in the end. Now we are ready to compute. We can get the difference between the amount of money Ross and Monica had at first, because that would mean that would be equal to the 2 units that I marked red in this model. So $60 less $42 is equal to $18. So 2 units are equal to $18. Let us now mark those 2 units, $18, in the model. So to get what 1 unit is equal to, all I have to do is to divide $18 by 2, and the answer is $9. Let us now mark each unit $9 in the model. Since what we are asking for is the amount that each of them spent, I can now compute for that by deducting $9 from $42. So 42 take away $9 is equal to $33. Each of them spent $33. I hope this video was able to help you understand how important it is for students to visualize what the problem is all about using the bar model method. If you wish to learn more about the bar model method, I have a bar model method on-demand webinar for parents and teachers. Here you will learn how to teach your students or your children the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction bar model methods. And we will also cover one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems. If you are interested, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. If your children or your students need more help in solving word problems using the bar model method, this book is perfect for them. This is the Singapore Math bar model method from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to the videos of the discussion of the word problems that are in this book. Interested? You may scan the QR code that we have here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.